this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos just focused on a single trade, but there's been some chatter in the Altcoin alert group, and I know this is a problem that a lot of traders struggle with. Where do I get in and where do I get out of a trade? Now, as a day trader, my goals are very different than swing traders and hodlers, but I want to show an example of a trade I had success with yesterday. And so I wanted to show an example of a trade where I figured out my entry point and my exit point ahead of time, acted on that, and was pleased with the result, even though the coin really took off a while after I got out. So let's go to the significant development item in the Slack group. Okay, so here's what I was seeing yesterday in the Slack group. This entry here came across my phone on Slack. Binance will list Adventure Gold, AGLD, in the innovation zone. And I had a vague memory that Coinbase had already listed this, so I jump over to the Coinbase chart in my Coinbase Pro account to see if I can go ahead and get in on this coin. You got to move fast when you get news of a new listing. So let's go to the AGLD chart. Okay, so here's what I was looking at on the AGLD chart. Adventure Gold, AGLD, I'm not sure what to call this, doesn't really matter. It's a new listing on Binance, even though it's only in the innovation zone, but that's where Binance puts volatile coins to evaluate them before a full-blown listing. So that's good enough news to act on. And I'm a little behind the pump, as is normal. I mean, I think we got the alert. I got in at 7:42 p.m. I think the alert came across my phone at 7:38 p.m. So it took a few minutes to, I didn't have Coinbase up at the time, and I may have bought this on my phone even, I don't recall. But the coin shot up over $4 and dropped down. I thought 372 would be a good entry, and I was looking to get out around $4. So I caught the downtrend here and got in at 372 at 7:42 p.m. It did go up to 396, but I'd set my sell order at 399. But no worries. It came down, then went back up. I'm out 2 hours later at 399 at 9:50 p.m. I've got 7.258% profit. 7% profit in a couple hours on a day trade. I'm loving that. It did drop down overnight in the wee hours of the morning, but it pumped up today. Bitcoin and Ethereum both had big runs up today when I'm recording this on October 5th, 2021. But do I care this happened? No. I achieved my goal. I got out 7% profit, and I don't care that the next day it shot up even more, because you set your goal and you achieve your goal, then you get out. Now, if you're more of a swing trader and your goal was maybe 420, and then you get out too soon, then that's different. Then maybe you feel bad about that, because it's pumping up, it might even hit $5 today. But that's where you have to figure out what kind of trader you are before you make a trade. You got to find the right entry point, determine the exit point based on your strategy, and if you achieve that, that's it. Just let it go. Don't agonize over the fact that it's gone up, another 10 or 20%. So that's why I wanted to make this video today and emphasize to some of the newer traders that don't beat yourself up if something goes up beyond where you got out, if that was your plan. So anyway, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the tools and opportunities listed below in the comments, and I will see you next time. Some of you have my link for the Monday and Friday Zooms. That's most likely when I'll see you. So have a happy trading till then. Bye.